Good morning, children. Welcome back for e-learning class that is of standard first. And today we are going to learn English 2, that is our English grammar. And the lesson name is classification. Children, what is the meaning of classification? Classification means you have to separate as per their qualities or where they are fit and proper, where they can fit in proper places, like as per the qualities or what they do. So you have to differentiate things, means you have to classify them as per their qualities or whatever they do or what they help us, why they help us, in what ways, so we can separate them or classify them in that particular category. Classification is also called category or sorting them into different groups. Okay, so today we are learning classification of roadways, waterways, airways, then some vegetables, fruits, flowers, colors, then animals such as pet animals, wild animals, birds. So we will classify these all things and living things, non-living things into their particular suitable groups. Okay, we will separate them into different kinds of groups where they belong to. Okay, classification means to sort out things, to separate, to differentiate into their groups. Okay, so let's start with the exercise. The exercise tells us number 1. Okay, put the words in the right column. There are some words, that is, now you can see as I've written already, roadways, waterways, airways. So these are all what? These are all the transportation modes which help us to move from one place to another, whether it is people, goods or anything which we are supposed to move or shift from one place to another. We use these modes, that is roadway, waterway, airways. Supposing every day we use our vehicles to go from one place to another, and where vehicles run on the roads. So roadways means whichever things which runs or moves on road, those vehicles are called roadways vehicles. Okay, now in the bracket there are some already given words. You have to bifurcate means to classify, to put in different suitable groups. So here first one is aeroplane. Now everyone have seen aeroplane flies in the sky. Okay, it is moving in the air, yes or no? And next one is ship. Where do you see ships moving or sailing? In the water. So sea, ocean. So waterway, we will see what we will see in waterway? Ships, boats. Okay, so what is roadway? Which vehicles which move on road, that is tar road, mud road, any kind of road. Okay, that is solid form. Okay, it is at one place only, road is at one place only things move on it. Okay, then waterway, what it is? Water, as you know, it's moving and it's floating. So here ships, which things float in water? You know, as you can see, ships sail in sea, or you can say river, or you can say oceans. And then boat, which sails in again same places, river, or you can say lake. Okay, and airway, which all things you see in the air, in the sky, and you get very happy? Aeroplane, helicopter, then sometimes you see rocket, yes or no? Then fighter planes. When Independence Day, just recently we have celebrated Independence Day, you see all those performance done by our Air Force team, Indian Air Force team. They paint the sky in tricolors. Okay, so what they are doing, they are using the airway. Yes or no? So now we will do the exercise, children. First one is already done for you in roadway. We will go as the options are given, that we will bifurcate. Okay, so first one is aeroplane. So it will go in which column? Airway column. And aeroplane. Okay, then second is a ship. Children, it is ship. When we are talking about the ship which is sailing on water, it is called ship, S-H-I-P, ship. And when it is an animal, we will say sheep, little longer. Okay, you have to stress on E, sheep. Now this is ship. So ship will go in water way. Okay, then next is a motor car. Motor car means car. It will go in which column? Roadway. Okay, then what is the next one? A scooter. That also runs on road, so it will go in roadway. Then a boat. Boat sails in river, that is water. It will go in waterway. A helicopter. As I have told you before already, helicopter you can see flying in the sky, air. So it will go in airway. Then a steamer. Steamer is also kind of a ship. So it will go in waterway. And last one, a bus, which is already done for you in your workbook. Okay, so bus will be written in the roadway column. Now we will go to the next question, which is giving us the classification of vegetables, fruits, flowers and colors. So let's get started with the answers given. We will put them in the different columns. Lotus is a flower, so it will go in flowers column. Now children, one thing I will just ask you to note down, that is the color column. I have not mentioned here. You have to do it on your own. Okay, colors column, because it is very easy. Then lotus has come in the flower column. Then brinjal. Brinjal is a vegetable. It will go in vegetable column. Then we have a yellow color. You have to put it in yellow. Yellow you have to put in colors column. Okay. Then rose. Rose is a flower. It will go in flowers column. Green. Green is a color. It will go in color column. Pink. Pink again it's a color. It will be written in colors column. Mango. Mango is a fruit. So it will go in fruits column. Onion. Onion will go in vegetable column. Then pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit. So it will go in fruits column. Then lily. Lily is a flower. It will go in flower column. Then radish. Radish will go in vegetable column. And last one is banana. Banana will go in fruits column. Okay. Now there is the third classification. Again we have to be little alert. Now here we are classifying the pet animals, wild animals and birds. Okay. So we are starting from the brackets given. First one is lion. Lion is a dangerous animal, so it will go in wild animals. Sparrow, small bird, it will go in birds column. Again, now your sheep. Sheep is an animal, a pet animal. Farmers take care of it. Yes or no? Shepherds take care of it. The sheep, as their agriculture. Okay, so sheep will come in pet animals. Then parrot. Parrot is a bird. Me too. Then goat. Goat gives us milk and meat also. So it will go in pet animals. Then giraffe. Giraffe will go in wild animal. We don't keep at home or in the farm. Then cow. Cow gives us milk. We worship cow. Yes or no? Farmer every farmer has cow, buffalo in their house. It helps us for agriculture purpose. So cow will be in pet animals column. Then peacock is a bird, beautiful bird, our national bird of India. And the last one is tiger. Tiger is a dangerous animal and it's a wild animal, so it will go in wild animal column. Okay children, so this was the classification lesson. That is, what is the meaning of classification? Classification means to identify as per their qualities and habitants. Habitants means where they live or where they belong to, and you have to sort it down and separate it and put them in their particular correct group. So we are sorting, we are classifying the things into correct group, correct team. We are keeping it together as per how we use them or how we come across every day in our day-to-day life. As per our experience, our knowledge, we classify things. Okay, so that was the lesson of English 2, English grammar. So you have to do this exercise in your workbook, put the date correctly, write in neat and tidy handwriting, and always children do your work on time. As the schedule is updated regularly, you have to also do your assignments regularly as per the dates and date. Okay, thank you.